I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money through Weebly, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Start by accessing your Weebly account on your preferred web browser. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the store section. Once logged in, find the store option in the main menu. This is where you can manage all your transactions and payment settings. Step 3. Set up payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shark.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Create a transaction. To send money, go to the Orders section and select New Order. Fill in the details, including the recipient's email and the amount you wish to send. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review the transaction details and click the Send button to complete the process. Make sure to double-check the email address to avoid sending money to the wrong person. If you follow these steps, you should be able to send money easily through Weebly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy sending!